How much time does your sawyer spend looking for slabs that are staring him right in the face? Hi, I'm Aaron Crowley with a Profit Pointer video brought to you by FabricatorsFriend.com. You know, a sawyer can easily waste 10 to 15 minutes looking for the slabs that they're supposed to cut next. But wasting time is not something that a successful stone shop tolerates. And that's the essence of lean manufacturing, eliminating waste. In today's video, we're going to look at a lean manufacturing principle called visual controls to use a technique for labeling your slabs so that they're always labeled and your sawyer spends his time cutting slabs, not looking for them. There are 3 steps to this lean manufacturing principle for your slab management. The first is determining a dedicated storage and slab staging area. The second is the actual labels for the slabs, and third is the timing. So first and foremost, we need to determine a dedicated place that slabs are going to be stored and staged for cutting. If slabs are put here, there, and everywhere, there's an open space, then the sawyer has to look here, there, and everywhere to find the slabs. So first and foremost, we dedicate a place for slabs to be cut. Secondly, we need to make the decision between A-frames and racks. A-frames will work, but think about this. Slabs get buried. If there's an open spot, slabs are loaded, and you've got to then move that material to get to the slabs. Again, that's waste. So racks are definitely superior when you're talking about optimizing efficiencies in your shop. So the second step in this visual control principle for slab labeling is the actual slab labels. So we use a 6 by 18 inch dry erase board. You can buy the sheets of that at Home Depot. It's really cheap. We've also got a place to storage. Here's our slab labeling station. We've got dry erase pens, we've got the clipboard, and we've got the spring clamps for attaching the labels to the slabs. So the great thing about this visual control principle is that the signs, the labels, are big enough to see at a glance. And the sawyer is going to see this Thomas sign 5, maybe 10 times a day before he actually gets the work order to cut this job. So when he does, he's going to know intuitively right where that slab is staged. The other benefit to creating signs like this, or labels, is that when a slab hasn't been labeled, because all the other slabs have their labels on them, it's going to be immediately obvious that the responsible person has overlooked it and needs to get that aspect done so that the sawyer doesn't spend time looking at these slabs and wondering what job they're for. So the last step in this visual control process relating to slab labeling is timing. When do you label the slabs? It's got to be clear, it's got to be measurable, and it's got to be obvious. The slabs are labeled immediately upon placing them in the dedicated slab storage rack. So I hope you've enjoyed this Profit Pointer video on visual controls in your stone shop. Now remember, create a dedicated space for slab storage and staging, label your slabs, and do it on time. This will make your sawyer more efficient, and that'll make your stone shop more profitable. So if you've enjoyed this video, make sure you check out our other videos on FabricatorsFriend.com and make sure you follow us on our social media platforms.